The efforts by the city to try and get more people vaccinated based on what they do and where they live will continue in the weeks ahead. The latest comes with the announcement of a major event that will be taking place in the northwest part of the city, but it also comes at a time when there needs to be more focus on the younger age groups as well.
Team Toronto is working tirelessly to raise vaccination rates across the entire northwest of the city to help blunt the spread of COVID-19 and the very transmissible Omicron variant.
In a space normally reserved for major tennis events on the York University campus, the City of Toronto and health sector partners now plan to create a massive clinic for vaccines. The move to get 1,000 doses administered on Sunday, January 23rd, is targeting neighboring communities in need of more shots.
The Vax The Northwest team will offer the grand slam of vaccination opportunities with first, second, third, and kids' doses of vaccine all available on that day at that time.
Some of Toronto's northwest neighborhoods are well below the rest of the city's vaccination rate. Glenfield Jane Heights, for example, has 7% less people aged 12 and older with 2 doses, while Westminster Branson is 12% below average.
Safe for us, safe for our neighbor and our friends and families, everybody.
Some families, meanwhile, are taking the time to find school clinics in advance of younger students returning to class next week.
The schools, they're opening up again, so the kids should get their shots.
According to the latest data from Toronto Public Health, just 47% of children aged 5 to 11 years old have at least 1 dose of a COVID vaccine, while 9% have had 2 doses. Toronto's medical officer of health still sees the number, more than 100,000 kids at this point, as a positive, despite an increase of only 12% over the last month.
We are certainly providing lots of opportunities for parents and caregivers to become educated and to have their questions answered across all Team Toronto vaccination partners. And I think it is actually a remarkable achievement that in a city as big and diverse as is ours, that we have been able to get to that level of vaccination in a few short weeks' time.
Officials say more school-based clinics will be rolling out in the weeks to come, especially in parts of the city where just 25 to 30% of that same age group, along with others, have yet to get their shot.
I wanted my first vaccine.
I bring her another 1 month to get the second one.
That is why that the efforts that we're undertaking today in the schools, in the community, even something like Vax The Northwest, these efforts are very much targeted to getting the vaccination rate up in those neighborhoods among kids and among residents generally.
Mark McAllister, City News.